Cooper's real estate empire, from pizza coupons to tycoon. Meet Cooper, a guy with a bigger dream. His morning coffee usually comes with a side of daydreams. Wait, people actually make money just by buying houses? His dog was not exactly impressed by this discovery. Congratulations, you discovered real estate? Cooper dove headfirst into the world of the internet for answers. Step 1. Choose your path. Rentals? Flipping? Or maybe Airbnb? He imagined himself owning 100 houses all at once. Dog was still skeptical about his owner's grand plans. Time to get serious. Reality hits when you talk about the law. An LLC protects your assets and makes you look like a pro. He officially named it Cooper's Cozy Homes LLC. And of course, every great company needs a leadership team. Meet the new vice president of marketing. The LLC was ready, and the team was mostly ready. Then came the shocker. Houses are actually really expensive. He studied loans, private investors, and hard money lenders. His total wealth, $14 and a pizza coupon. Okay, maybe I should look for some partners. Finding the money is the hardest part of the game. Now for the fun part, hunting for the perfect property deal. He checked auctions and foreclosures until he found the one. The listing said, needs minor repairs. It had a missing roof and 3 raccoons as tenants. When he opened the door, it literally screamed at him. Still a good deal, right? After months of hard work and fixing the roof, he had a choice: flip it for cash or rent it for income. Cooper chose rent. Soon, a happy tenant moved in, and every month, like magic, the rent money arrived. Real estate isn't magic, but it builds long-term wealth. Step 1, complete. Only 999 houses to go.